The world is changing. Technology is reshaping our lives in ways we could have never imagined. From communication to work, it's at the heart of this transformation. A new era is dawning, the era of artificial intelligence. As the sun rises, so does a new age of innovation. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's integrated into our daily lives, from smart assistants to recommendation algorithms. Our homes are smarter, our devices more intuitive, and our interactions with technology more seamless. We're on the cusp of a revolution powered by generative AI, creating new possibilities in music, stories, and art. AI is transforming how we create, work, learn, and think, collaborating with artists and providing personalized education. Imagine AI helping us solve complex problems, from climate change to healthcare, by analyzing vast data. But with great power comes great responsibility. We must consider the ethical implications and prevent biases in AI systems. Education and awareness are key. By learning about AI, we can make informed decisions about its use and impact. This journey is about exploring AI's potential, understanding its capabilities, and navigating its challenges. Join the AI revolution. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious, there's a place for you. Let's explore together. The AI revolution is here, and it's waiting for you. Let's embark on this journey together. The future is bright, and it's powered by AI. At the forefront of this revolution is ChatGPT, a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. Imagine having a conversation with a computer that can understand your questions and answer your questions in an informative way. ChatGPT is here to help. But ChatGPT is just the tip of the iceberg. The world of generative AI is vast and ever-expanding. From DALL-E's stunning images to Midjourney's artistic flair, and Jasper AI's marketing prowess, the possibilities are limitless. This is the future that generative AI is creating. This video is your guide to generative AI. We'll break down complex concepts and provide practical skills, from setting up ChatGPT to crafting effective prompts. Unlock AI for content creation, coding, and data analysis. Get ready to explore. Buckle up for an incredible journey into the future of technology. Discover how generative AI can empower you. Let's unlock the limitless possibilities together. Section 1. Entering the world of ChatGPT. Let's dive into ChatGPT, the tool captivating the world with its remarkable abilities. Developed by OpenAI, it's making waves across industries like education, customer service, and creative writing. It's easy to get started. You don't need to be a tech wizard. The user-friendly design ensures anyone can navigate and utilize ChatGPT effectively. All you need is an internet connection and curiosity. Whether you're a student, professional, or just curious about AI, ChatGPT has something for everyone. Once signed up, you'll be greeted by the ChatGPT interface, your gateway to a world of language AI. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly. Think of ChatGPT as a friendly, intelligent assistant eager to help with tasks and answer questions. Dive in and explore the endless possibilities ChatGPT offers. Section 2. Your ChatGPT dashboard. A quick tour. Now that you're logged in, let's take a quick tour. Everything is designed to be user-friendly and accessible. The main attraction is the chat window. You'll also notice a sidebar for managing conversations. ChatGPT provides a clean, uncluttered space for interaction. Now for the fun part, interacting with ChatGPT. The key to unlocking its potential lies in crafting effective prompts. Think of a prompt as a set of instructions. Clear and specific instructions help ChatGPT understand and fulfill your request. Let's start with a simple example. Type in the chat window. What are the main benefits of using solar energy? Hit enter and watch as ChatGPT processes your request. Just type naturally, as if talking to a knowledgeable friend. ChatGPT is designed to respond in a natural and intuitive way. As you hit enter, ChatGPT processes your request and generates a response. It's the power of cutting-edge AI at work. Read through ChatGPT's response. It's a well-structured, informative answer. ChatGPT provides clear, concise information. It's constantly learning and improving. The more you interact, the better it gets. One of the most powerful aspects of ChatGPT is its ability to engage in a conversation. Don't be afraid to ask follow-up questions or provide additional context. ChatGPT learns and adapts to your needs. For instance, ask about solar energy challenges. This iterative process helps you explore topics deeply. ChatGPT is your AI partner in learning. Experiment and see where the conversation takes you. Welcome back, explorers. Let's delve into prompt engineering. Guide the AI, shaping its responses. Think of yourself as a conductor. Your prompts are the notes. The more precise your prompts, the better the output. Remember, ChatGPT is powerful, but it's not a mind reader, yet. It relies on your prompts to understand what you want. Instead of asking, "Write me something interesting," try something like, "Write a short story about a time traveler." The more specific you are, the better the output. One of the most exciting aspects of ChatGPT is its ability to tap into creativity. Push the boundaries and see what imaginative outputs you can generate. Write a song in the style of your favorite artist. Need a unique concept for a sci-fi novel? ChatGPT can help. Section 4. Taming complexity. Structuring prompts for advanced tasks. As you become more comfortable with ChatGPT, you can start tackling more complex tasks. The key to mastering these advanced tasks lies in how you structure your prompts. Structured prompting involves breaking down your main request into smaller, more manageable steps. This method ensures that the output is highly specific and tailored to your needs. For instance, if you're working on a research paper, start by asking ChatGPT to generate a list of potential topics. Then ask for a brief overview of each topic, followed by a detailed outline. Remember, complex tasks often require multiple prompts and iterations. Start with a broad prompt and gradually narrow it down. Experiment, refine your prompts, and guide ChatGPT step by step to achieve your desired outcome. The more you interact with ChatGPT, the better it will understand your needs and preferences. In conclusion, structuring prompts for advanced tasks is an art that requires practice and patience. By breaking down your requests and experimenting with different approaches, you can harness the full potential of ChatGPT. Section 5. The Power of Examples. Showing ChatGPT what you want. Sometimes the best way to communicate your intent is to show, not tell. Provide a sample and ask ChatGPT to emulate it. By providing a concrete example, you give ChatGPT a clear blueprint to follow. ChatGPT, your creative powerhouse. Explore amazing ways to use ChatGPT in your everyday life. ChatGPT is a creative powerhouse, a wellspring of ideas. Break through creative blocks, generate fresh content, and explore new ideas. That's the beauty of ChatGPT. Coding with AI. Your new programming partner. ChatGPT is a surprisingly adept coding companion. It assists both seasoned programmers and beginners. Data analysis. Made easy. ChatGPT to the rescue. Data is everywhere these days, and making sense of it all can feel overwhelming. ChatGPT can be your trusty sidekick in the world of data analysis. ChatGPT can help you unlock the insights hidden within your data. Beyond the horizon. Exploring new possibilities. ChatGPT's versatility is its true beauty. Experiment, push boundaries, and innovate. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. The world is rapidly evolving, and AI is at the forefront. Embrace tools like ChatGPT to stay ahead. Learn, adapt, and harness technology. With ChatGPT, navigate exciting challenges. Dive into ChatGPT and unleash your potential. While ChatGPT is a language AI superstar, generative AI extends beyond text. Tools like DALL-E 2 and Midjourney revolutionize visual content creation. They open up endless possibilities for creators. Let's start with DALL-E 2, OpenAI's groundbreaking image generation tool. It creates highly detailed, often surreal and captivating visuals. Want to see a cat riding a unicorn? DALL-E 2 can make it happen. Midjourney's artistic touch, where imagination takes form. Midjourney, an AI image generation tool, captures the hearts of artists and designers. If DALL-E is the master of photorealism, Midjourney is the artist's muse, creating dreamlike images. Section 4. Jasper AI, your marketing maestro. Jasper AI supercharges your marketing efforts. Write ad copy, social posts, and blog articles. It's like having expert copywriters at your fingertips. Section 5. The power of integration, a symphony of AI tools. The world of generative AI is vast and ever-expanding. The true magic happens when you combine these tools. Imagine using ChatGPT to generate a script, DALL-E for the storyboard, and Midjourney for characters and setting. Jasper AI to market your masterpiece. Integration unlocks new creative potential. Every technological advancement comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Generative AI is no exception. It can be used for good or ill. We must understand both sides to wield it wisely. Generative AI is a game changer for efficiency. Complete tasks in minutes, not hours. That's the power of AI. Whether you're a writer, a marketer, or a coder, AI streamlines your workflow. Achieve more with AI. Access to powerful creative tools was limited to those with specialized skills or expensive software. Generative AI is changing that. Tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E 2, and Midjourney are now accessible online. This democratization empowers everyone to unleash their creativity. The accuracy imperative, navigating AI's potential pitfalls. Generative AI is efficient but still in its infancy. Ensuring accuracy is a major challenge. Biased datasets lead to flawed AI output. Approach AI content critically and double-check facts. The ethical frontier. Guiding AI towards a brighter future. The ethical dimension of generative AI is critical. Deepfakes and misinformation are major concerns. We need guidelines to ensure responsible AI use. The future of AI is up to us to shape. As we've journeyed through generative AI, from ChatGPT to DALL-E 2 and Midjourney, we are on the cusp of a technological revolution. The most exciting part of this journey is that it's just beginning. The tools are here. The possibilities are endless. Dive into the world of ChatGPT. Experiment with DALL-E 2's visual wizardry, or explore Midjourney's artistic depths. We're thrilled to have you on this exciting adventure into the world of generative AI. Hit that subscribe button and join our vibrant community.